Hello, this is Moots here at Trask. We're here in Phoenix, Arizona, and we will be installing our new Big Papi Air Cleaner assembly onto a Gen 1 M8. We got the parts all laid out here. We got our backing plate, our bezel, the window, the air filter element, the 4 arms that secure the bezel to the backing plate. We got our velocity stack, our sub plate, breather hose and fittings, and your fastener, 1024 and quarter 20. So here I'm going to ask you to please run a tap through into the heads, because the pipe dope that Harley uses is very aggressive, and I want to get that out of there. Otherwise you may end up, snapping a bolt or stripping it, or just give you a hard time. So save yourself a little aggravation, run a tap in there. I'm going to go ahead and start the 3 fasteners that take the sub plate to the throttle body, not tightening them. Breather fitting. The spigot goes closer to the backing plate and further from the head as far as orientation goes for it to breathe properly. So keep that in mind. Got our fittings on there. We got our hoses run. I'm just going to run these down, torque everything in place. 3/8 fastener, 28 foot-pounds. Red Loctite. Blue Loctite on the quarter 20s. Again, the sub plate, those are quarter 20 fasteners. Blue Loctite, 110 inch-pounds. And snug those down. Our velocity stack is secured in place with male and female magnets. There is no obstruction. It's a smooth airflow into the venturi. There's our air filter element. Put the seam at the bottom. Put the window in, hold it in place. Get your arms on there. Get the 2 top ones started, and everything will stay together while you get the 2 bottom ones in. Just a little note, you probably want to clean the inside of the window because you don't have access to it at this point. Install the bottom legs, screw those in, and snug those up. I have seen people break them. Don't break the little bolts. I think it's like 13 inch-pounds. It's just a good snug with a drop of blue Loctite. Clean it up, wipe it down. Looks beautiful. There you have it. It's our Trask air cleaner installed. Very simple.